He's shivering. Oh my God. You look so handsome.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Hey, buddy.
You're handsome.
There you go. Okay. I just need one. Only one? Yeah.
Mmm.
For those bagels.
Mmm.
From here, get the fruits, get the vegetables.
Oh, food. Ooh, it's a shape as a heart.
It's on a Saturday. You know? These fresh guys. I need to come make my burger. The biggest burger. Make it just yet.
Yeah. We got some more vegetables.
Do we need mango for anything or
No.
we just pop it in your mouth? Or is there a soup? You don't think I'm weird. Okay.
Nache.
Okay, nache. Nache.
Nache. Look at that cheese. Look at all that cheese.
Beef jerky, spicy and natural.
Yeah.
20.
20. So when I come, I'll come back before I go up to their house.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a good night. ¿Qué serían 150?
No, no. We've already been through that. Gary? Okay, I've got to remember.
How much for your leche?
Da, 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 da.
$10 a pound. Yeah. I'll send a minute to them.
And if those were new.
Yeah. You know, I wouldn't get one leg free. Oh, she's got the rice in the rice cheese cake things. Is this the teriyaki? Oh, sorry, go ahead. Sometimes I wish Gary could wear something like that.
I know. You got the
Hoochie coochie.
Kochi Kochi.
You want Mexican corn in a cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. We just know better.
It's so dark out here, you can barely see it. Thanks, honey.